Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make healthy and spicy scallion and spring onion parantha. Diabetic friendly, anti-carcinogens, antioxidants and fiber loaded. Scallions, green onions, spring onion or hara payaz are very young onions and harvested before the bulb has had a chance to swell. They are known by many names, but in India they are known as hara payaz. Both the scallion and the bulb are edible raw or cooked. They are diabetic friendly, anti-carcinogens, antioxidants and fiber loaded. But it all started with this kitchen surplus dinner leftover yellow lentil dal. Too little yet too much. Green chilies as per as your taste, and into the blender they go, along with ginger and into the blender. Now blend into a coarse grainy paste. This is what it should look like. Whole wheat flour or atta, scallions and spring or green onions cut and sliced, ginger and green chili paste that we had made earlier, cilantro and parsley torn and shredded by hand, garam whole, turmeric powder, red chili powder, sea salt or any natural salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, all as per as your taste, and gram flour or basil. And last but not the least, kitchen surplus dinner leftover yellow lentil or dal and pre-melted desi ghee. Now knead into a tight dough, and remember, do not add any water. This is what the dough should look like. Cover the dough with a moist kitchen towel and set aside. Now aag lagao, set a girdle, fry pan or a tawa to heat. Divide the dough into equal sized balls, and well, there are 5 of them. Now roll and flatten the dough balls carefully. When done, this is what it should be like. Sprinkle and smear desi ghee. Remember, Punjabi parathas are best made with desi ghee. Now bring on the raw scallion and spring onion parantha to be cooked. Flip the raw scallion and spring onion parantha when the side becomes firm. Drizzle and smear desi ghee on the side and allow to cook. And what a wonderful fragrance that has started to fill the air. It's beautiful. Flip the raw scallion and spring onion parantha when the side is firm. Drizzle and smear desi ghee on the side too. And the wonderful fragrance has really started to grow stronger. Now flip the raw scallion and spring onion parantha. Allow the side to cook well. And flip the scallion and spring onion parantha till both sides are cooked well. What a wonderful fragrance that has filled the air. Flip the parantha again. When done, switch off the heat or the flames. Nice, crisp, beautifully colored and a wonderful fragrance. What a parantha. Plate and serve with achar, pickle, dip, sauce, chutney, curd, raita, vegetable, non-vegetable or as Punjabis prefer, with a dollop of butter and a hot steaming cup of tea or chai. And enjoy the scallion spring onion parantha with all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and Eat healthy.